My dear students of class 9, I am going to start chapter 14. Name of chapter Statistics. Exercise 14.3. Question number 1. A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percent. Serial number 1. Causes. Female fertility rate in percent. 1. Reproductive health conditions. 31.8. Second, neuropsychiatric condition 25.4. Third, injuries 12.4. Fourth, cardiovascular condition 4.3%. 5. Respiratory condition 4.1%. 6. Other causes 22.0%. Now, question number 1. Represent the information given above graphically. Second, which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? For the solution of this question, we see causes of death is variable and fertility rate is value of that variable. So we put causes at horizontal axis, that is x-axis. We treat as OX as x-axis. And fertility rate at vertical axis, that is y-axis. It is OY, that is it is y-axis. Here we take a scale. On y-axis, 10 small division. 1 big division equals to 10 small division on graph paper. So 10 small division is equal to 4 units. That is 4% fertility rate. Here we see that reproductive health condition is 31.8%. So we go up to 31.8%, and this rectangle, this bar represent reproductive health condition. Now, neuropsychiatric conditions has female fertility rate 25.4%. So this rectangle, this bar represents 25.4%. We go up to 25.4. Now, third, injuries, female fertility rate 12.4%. So we go up to 12.4%. The height of this rectangle, this bar is up to 12.4. Now, cardiovascular conditions, it is 4.3%. So this rectangle go up to 4.3%. Height of this rectangle will be up to 4.3, and it represents cardiovascular condition, which is 4.3%. Now, fifth, respiratory conditions. It has female fertility rate 4.1%. So this rectangle goes up to 4.1. The height of this rectangle, this bar is 4.1. Since respiratory condition is 4.1%. Now, 6. Other causes 22.0% female fertility rate. So for other causes, we go up to 22. So the height of this rectangle, this bar is up to 22. This is the representation of the causes of female fertility rate by bar graphs. Now, question number 2. Which condition is the major causes of women's ill health and death worldwide. Reproductive health conditions are major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide, because it shows from the rectangle maximum height, that is 31.8%. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. The following data on the number of girls to the nearest 10 per 1000 boys in different sections of Indian society is given below. Section in column number 1 and number of girls per 1000 boys in column number 2. Scheduled caste SC 940, scheduled tribe ST 970, non SC ST 920, backward districts 950, non-backward districts 920, rural 930, urban 910. Represent the information above by a bar graph. For the solution of this question, we see section of society is variable and number of girls per 1000 boys is its value. So we put section of society on horizontal axis, that is x-axis, and number of girls per 1000 boys on vertical axis, that is y-axis. As values are between 900 and 1000, so we make a kink on y-axis and restart y-axis with 900. A scale of this bar graph representation. On y-axis 1 big division on graph paper, that is 10 small division. This equals to 10 units, that is 10 girls per 1000 boys. In scheduled caste, number of girls per 1000 boys is 940. So height of this rectangle, that is this bar, is 940. It goes up to 940. Scheduled tribe. In scheduled tribe, number of girls per 1000 boys is 970. So the height of this rectangle goes up to 970. This is the representation of scheduled tribe. Non-SC ST, number of girls per 1000 boys is 920. So this rectangle has height 920. Backward districts 950. Number of girls per 1000 boys is 950. So backward districts goes up to 950. The height of this rectangle will be up to 950. Here, non-backward districts 920. Number of girls per 1000 boys is 920. So height of this rectangle goes up to 920. Non-backward district 920. So height of this rectangle, this bar, will be up to 920. This represent non-backward districts. Rural. In rural, number of girls per 1000 boys is 930. So height of this rectangle, this bar, will be 930. This represent number of girls per 1000 boys in rural areas. Now in urban areas, number of girls per 1000 boys 910. So the height of this rectangle, this bar, will be 910. This is the representation of above information, above section, that is number of girls per 1000 boys by a bar graph. This is the answer of question number 2. This is last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you. Thank you very much.